My name is Milind Pandit. I'm a Director of Product Management at CheckFree. CheckFree has long been a leader in electronic bill payment and electronic billing, with over 1 billion electronic bill payment transactions processed last year and over 200 million electronic bills presented. On May 15th of this year, CheckFree completed its acquisition of Carillion Corporation. Carillion had long been a leader in online banking, with over 30 million online banking consumers touching one or more Carillion products. So my goal today is to show you the kind of online experience you can expect from the combined companies with a focus on personal security. What you see here is a typical login page, and the image that you see here is what we call a true stamp. I created this image when I first enrolled in online banking, and now that I'm back to log in, it gives me the confidence that I'm logging into a legitimate banking site and not to some kind of fraudulent phishing site. You may have seen competitive solutions for quote-unquote mutual authentication, but CheckFree's is easier to use and it's more secure, and it results in an image that's easier to remember and one that's guaranteed to be unique. So I'm going to go ahead and log in here. And what you're going to see next is a component of our strong authentication called out-of-band authentication. Basically, to ensure that the person who's doing the login is actually me, the application is going to call my cell phone and ask me to enter a personal identification number.
This call, press 1. Otherwise, please hang up. Sure. To complete your website login, please enter your PIN number, 1 digit at a time, using your telephone keypad. Please see your computer screen for more information. Goodbye.
So after entering the personal identification number, I'm allowed into the online banking application. Now, one of the more obvious benefits of the combination of Carillion and CheckFree is that online banking and bill payment will be made available in a single application. You'll have one relationship with CheckFree, and our offering will incorporate both features. Now, we've already done some integration between the two products, and we've already seen improvements in online bill payment adoption. And what that means for consumers is a very seamless experience and all of the convenience of the combined offering. And what it means for financial institutions is a lower cost to serve, as well as improvements in customer retention. So let's see what a bill payment experience is like. I'm going to come in here and I'm going to pay my mortgage to ABC Mortgage Company. And what you see here is a user interface approach that we call progressive disclosure. And the application is showing me some relevant information for this particular bill payment. It's showing recent payments to this payee, as well as some critical information from the electronic bill, because I'm subscribed to electronic bills from this payee. Now, the amount due on this bill is $994.89, but I'm going to actually go in and pay down some of my principal and pay a total of $1,994.89. I come in here to make a payment. Now, because I'm about to submit a very large bill payment, the application has asked me a security question. And in fact, until I enter some kind of answer, I don't even get to see the Submit Payments button. But once I enter that answer and it's correct, the bill payment goes through. Now, you may be asking yourself, well, how big does a bill payment have to be before I get asked a security question? The answer is actually up to me as the consumer. I can go here to this prototype of the security center, and you can see all of my security settings here that I've set up for my own personal security. And what it says is that if I add a bill payment totaling more than $1,000, then the application should ask me a security question before it allows it. So I hope I've shown you that the combination of Carillion and CheckFree will result in an online banking experience that improves customer convenience as well as security for banking customers. Now I want to show you some of the exciting user interface features that we're testing in our labs. What you see here is very similar to what you saw before. It's a landing page that shows all of my bank accounts, but it's also showing my payees. A couple of payees here, and these could be payees to whom I've frequently made payments in the past, or payees from whom I have bills that are coming due. And by presenting these on the same page as the bank accounts, I can make a bill payment with a very intuitive drag and drop gesture. I drag the payee onto the account that I want to make the payment from. A confirmation screen comes up, and because I've subscribed to bills from this payee, the amount and the date are pre-filled. If I click on Show Transactions, then I see transactions from this account. And this, of course, prevents me from accidentally making a duplicate bill payment. And then just for some added flexibility, you can also make a bill payment by dragging the account and dropping it on the payee. In this case, the transactions that we show are recent payments to this payee, again, to prevent me from accidentally making a duplicate bill payment. So I hope I've shown you that with the combination of Carillion and CheckFree, you can expect some very interesting advancements in the near future, as well as what I've shown you from the labs, some very interesting user interface advancements in the longer term. Thank you for your attention.